Welcome to another video. We are given these beautiful functional equations. How do you solve this problem first? We can give it a try. Drop the answer in the comment box, and I'm going to be presenting you a very beautiful method on how to solve this step by step. Stay to the end of this video, and it promises to be more engaging and more educating. So this is kind of a shifting functional equations. Here we have a domain here as x+3, and this is just like we have another function which carries another domain, which is x+7 then +2 outside. And the interesting part here is we need to find only f of x. It is very easy to solve. So let's start by considering the solution. Looking at this, we have x+3, we have x+7. Let's try and break this thing down. Let's reduce this. If I let x+3 equals t, then I want to get x+7. It means I have to add 4 to both sides. By adding 4 to both sides, we have x+3 plus 4 equals t plus 4. And here gives us x+7 equals t plus 4. Let's reduce everything in terms of t. This is f of t equals f of t plus 4. Then we have plus 2. Let's make f of t plus 4 the subject of the relations, as we have f of t plus 4 equals f of t minus 2. And the next thing we are going to take as a step is looking at what we have here. This is just like a first order linear difference equations, and it has a period of 4. So the period of 4 as a periodic function. Then we need to draw to get a particular solutions, and a particular solution can be formed by looking for some patterns. So we have to derive some patterns here to draw a conclusion what is the resulting function for this. Okay, let's say I increase this thing by 4. Anywhere I see t, I change it to t plus 4. We are going to have this as f of t plus 4 plus 4, that is 8, equals, so this changed to f of t plus 4 then minus 2. But at top here we have f of t plus 4, which repeats here, and the value is f of t minus 2. Let's change it to, we have f of t plus 8 equals, instead of f of t plus 4, we change it to f of t minus 2 minus 2. And this gives us f of t plus 8 equals f of t then minus 4. This is 2, this is 2, and this is 4. And from here we can try and look for another one. The next one will be f of t plus, if you increase it by 4 again, that is f of t plus 12. This gives us f of t minus 6. This is increasing as a multiples of 2 at this side, and this is increasing as a period of 4. Therefore, looking at the conclusion, we have f of t plus increasing by 4, that is just like 4n, then equals f of t minus, let me call this one 2n, as n is a member of integer. If n equals to 1, we have f of t equals, we have f of t plus 4 equals f of t minus 2. Then if you increase this one by 2, we have f of t plus 8 equals f of t minus 4. That is the general formula. Now looking at this, we can now draw a particular solution from here. We have a particular function, so just say fp of, let me call it of t equals, let's say it's a linear function, and which is a t plus b. And we need to find f of t plus 4 as well. So we take this thing back into where we start iterating. Here are the two things that we have. this is considered as f of t. Let's find f of t plus 4. We have fp of t plus 4 being a particular function equals a bracket t plus 4 then minus 2. Again, we have to substitute back into what we have above. So therefore, substituting back, we have a bracket t plus 4 minus 2 equals at this is at plus b. We have this also as this is also given as plus b, then this is plus b, so equals at plus b then minus 2. So we try and expand out. We have at plus 4a plus b equals at plus b minus 2. B is a constant here, so arbitrary constant, so this is cancelled. Then we have at also cancelled. We need to get a. So for 4a equals minus 2 and a equals minus 1 divided by 2. Since this is gotten, we then have f of fp, that is particular function, equals a is half. We are going to have it as minus t over 2 then plus b, or simply we call it minus 1 over 2t plus b. But since b is a constant, arbitrary constant, we can just look for another constant here and we call it fp of t equals minus 1 over 2t plus c. This is what we have. And in a general solution, because if you want to find this, we are going to look for the particular solutions and the integral part, so that we can have the complete solutions. So for every complete solution here, so we are going to have it as f of t, which is a complete solution, equals fp plus another function, so says minus 1 over 2t then plus, in a general form, let me say h of t, where this h of t is any function with period 4. That is, if we have h of t plus 4, this equals to h of t. Okay, and for all values of t, since this is what we have, we can make it more robust by changing this x to by changing this t to x, since we are looking for f of x. So therefore our f of x equals to minus 1 over 2x plus changing this h to g of x, so plus g of x. And g of x is just also a periodic function with period 4. That is, we can have g of x plus 4 equals g of x, and the g here, it takes any values. It is real number, and it can also be a complex number here. So I mean, the domain here will be real number and the codomain here will be the complex number. This is how I solve this problem. How do you solve it? Let's hear the answer in the comment box. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.